Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss how to link CSS with HTML. In index.html, create the document type which is HTML. In the HTML section there are two main sections, which is head section and body section. Both have open and close tags. In head section, define the title section. Title appears in the website URL. Here I define title Hello World, and in the body section you can perform all the work. I am defining heading h1 and class equals to title so that we can access this class in styles.css. Now to link CS, first create link. It does not have any close tag. In the link section, define the relation which I defined as style sheet. For the link, create href, which is href equals to name of your CSS file, and I have styles.css name for the CSS file. This is the index.html file. Make sure to add the / in the end of link before closing the brackets. Now in the styles.css file, I have defined body section, and in the body section I have defined padding, which is 50 pixels. Now to access the class, write its name with dot title, and in the brackets I have defined the color of my h1 heading, which is blue. This is not working, so now we can access it with blue color code #C6AC4. The code was incomplete because there was 5 C6AC4, and now you can see the result. So this is your index and CSS files, and this is the link section, how we have linked that. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.